So guys, next we're going to try to mess with glow plugs. This is like the most feared type of part on this engine, probably, because this is actually what everybody needs to service when your glow plug light is on. So interesting thing about it is we tried putting on different type of tools, like number 8 does not fit it, however number 9, you know, is bouncy, which is kind of weird. And then we found 5/16 right here, and you put this on, look, it goes on perfectly. Here's another 5/16, you put it on and nothing, it doesn't go in at all. And then you look at it on the inside, this is like a deep, you know, true deep socket, you know, type of 5/16, and this is not. So this is my gear wrench, which is my preferred, you know, type of tool, and this is actually GM performance. So this is something I actually had to buy separately outside the kit, like when I actually needed one. So that actually fits perfectly. So now let's begin. So we're gonna put that one away. Now I did not spray them or nothing, and this engine actually is locked up because I had water in it, so chances are these things are pretty badly corroded. So I want to try to make an observation, see what it takes to really pull them out. So what we're gonna do is, like, we're gonna do like a tightening motion, loosening motion, tightening motion, loosening motion, tightening, loosening. So I don't know if this is gonna break up or not, because these are way thinner, because it does actually move. Yeah, so that one I felt like it's just going out. So we did not actually treat these injectors or nothing. I'm just trying to see how difficult would it be to actually work on them without actually spraying them down. So we pulled this one out just fine. As you could see, this is made out of steel. It's going into aluminum head, so lots of oxidation happens from corrosion. So that's what it is. So Kevin, put this with the fuel injectors, just put it on top of the box. So we're gonna try to do the same thing with this one. We're gonna try to loosen it slightly, we're gonna tighten it slightly, loosen it slightly, tighten it slightly. Do I have to keep saying that, folks? And let's see, I'm gonna try to attempt removing it. So this one actually is going out just fine.
Yeah, we're awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're funny, Kevin.
Yeah.
All right, see, take that out.
I was surprised how long they are.
Okay, once again, tightening a little, loosen a little. And guys, yours might just be stuck, it just might not be going anywhere. These are just happen to be somewhat moving, so like I could tell this one's actually going out. So Kevin, spin it out. So far, left side of the engine, we're good.
Okay.
But they're very, very, very oily, right?
Yeah, they're oily. They're like oily, just like fuel injectors. And by the way, they are like pens.
Hold on, no, Jason, this is not how we're supposed to be removing these. These are a little bit more tricky, so just observe, these are easy to break.
I know, off,
so we just need to
on, off,
yeah, so you could call it
tightening,
so this is not moving this way, and then a little bit this way. I'm gonna, Jason, step over here. So tightening, loosening. So this one's actually going.
Yeah. Yay.
Everybody usually breaks these glow plugs, and this is why it's the most feared part to try to service, because you might just end up breaking them.
Yeah. The new ones that are oily, they're just like pens.
So again, tightening, loosening, and this one I could already tell this one's already going like right away. I did couple pulls, it already started moving.
Yeah, that's a really good way how to do it. So I'm just gonna get off. This one's super duper oily.
Yeah, this engine was in trouble. We're gonna take it apart.
Whoa.
So I could tell this was gonna be going good because it still had room to tighten.
Looks like that side has even more.
Okay, so every single glow plug came out very, very, very easy.
Yeah, they're easy to take off, but somehow they're quite a bit hard.
Okay, so this tool actually needs to go back in the toolbox. By the way, guys, any kind of tools that I'm using, I'm gonna link them up in the description below. So if you're looking for a certain type of part or tool, they're gonna be in a link in the description below. And also, if you need any of these parts in the engine, write to me in an email or text, YouTube comment section. But I'm going to actually post a lot of these in my eBay store. So Zimaleta Motors eBay store, which I also have a link in the description. So